Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can easily create as well as schedule your social media posts using Canva. So let's just create a very simple social media post for quotes. So I'll just come to this element and search for something. Okay, let me just take this lion and let me use this to create a post. So I'll make this my background and let me change the transparency to 75 and add this box here. I just want to create a quote. Change this color to black. The transparency, let me change it to 50. Now let me add text box here. Change this to Montserrat. Change the text size to 96. 96 is big. Okay, let me just get a quote and I'll paste it here. Change the color of the text to white, make it bold. Now we have a quote as post here. The soul that sees beauty may sometimes walk alone. So we want to schedule this for our social media posts. Okay. So for me to be able to do this, I will just come to this share, click on it and scroll down to see all. So from this see all, I still scroll down. Then you see this social. So I will click on this see all. All these are social media handles that we might have linked before. Okay. So I want to schedule. So I will click on this schedule. Let's say I want to schedule for Sunday, which is tomorrow. What time? I want it for 6 a.m. So it's using UTC +1. That's my standard. And I can now select this next. Here I can select the channel. So I've linked my X account as well as my LinkedIn account here. So if you don't see these options, it means you've not linked any of your social media handles. And you can just select this tab, which is select a channel. So you have options to select the channel that you want to link here. Once you've selected any of these, it will direct you on how to set it up and bring you back to the continuation. But since I already have a social media handle linked, I will just come back and then select my LinkedIn, then type something here. So I will just write, this is a quote. And then this schedule. So I'll click on this schedule, or I can save as drafts and then come back to it later. So I'll click on schedule. So it's preparing my design for the scheduling. and it has scheduled my design for Sunday, October 12th by 6 a.m. So I can come to this content planner to see this very post. So from this content planner, I can see that this post is for my LinkedIn. I can change to my X if I wish. I can also change the scheduled date and time. So currently it is October 12th. I want to change it to October 23rd and then change this to 12 a.m. If I click on done, I can see it has changed. I can also change what I have as my posts. Okay, let me add a full stop here, and then I can save and schedule. I have options here to also edit my design, to make a copy of, to copy and use a magic resize, or to delete the post. So I will just save and schedule. So you can see it has now appeared in my content calendar. If I scroll down to the date I scheduled it for, you see it is currently in the 23rd. Okay. So if I no longer want this to be scheduled, I can just click on this, and these three dots, select it and delete the post. So you can see I no longer have it scheduled. And this is just the simple trick you can use to schedule your posts in Canva. And this can help you have so many posts scheduled on a certain day so that you don't have to be creating posts every day. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.